Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get sparkling power donuts and use them for the shiny hunting in the Mega Dimension DLC for Pokemon Legends Z-A. Now these items boost your chances of finding the shiny Pokemon. First of all, you need to load into Pokemon Legends Z-A and make sure that the Mega Dimension DLC is unlocked. You need to progress far enough in the story to access the DLC area. Now simply go to the DLC hub and check for the shop or NPC vendors. The sparkling power donuts are usually earned by completing the special DLC missions, challenges and repeatable tasks. After getting the donuts, simply open your inventory and use one before entering an area with wild Pokemon. Now this activates a temporary sparkling power effect that increases shiny spawn chances. Next, simply focus on the areas with high Pokemon spawns and quickly check each encounter. If you don't see a shiny, move away and reset the spawns by reloading the area. Keep repeating this process while the effect is active to maximize your shiny hunting results. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.